gun because the half-court sets are not really their style of play.
Tama yun. Pero in a situation where, kagaya na nakita natin si Candeleta, medyo na-trap siya ron, dapat tulungan eh.
Oo.
Hindi naman pa pwede, siya na lang ang bahala kung ano gagawin niya sa bola. Dapat yung mga receivers have to come close to him and get themselves open to receive a pass.
Okay, 2 for 2 para dito kay Willie Miller. Meron na siyang 11 points sa ating ball game. 7-point lead for Air 21. 5.5 remaining sa ating first half. Here's Baluyot, ginugulo ni Mike Cortez. Dire-diretso pa rin dito si Baluyot. Forces this one up for decision from Chris Baluyot. Here's Willie Miller. Binangga si KG Candeleta. Nawala yung bola. Pero bola, yun. Turnover para sa Alaska. Balik sa Air 21. Winnie Arboleda. Sinalubong ni Willie Miller. KG Candeleta coming off 2 screens. The rebound here by Sonny Toss. Outlet pass to Reynel Hugnata looking down court.
Papansin ko rito yung depensa ni Eddie Laure kay Nino Candeleta. Grabe ha.
Oo.
That's, it looks like that's his designated role in this game. Play defense against Candeleta. Turnover na naman against Alaska.
Grabe, Alaska, pang 11 turnover na nila yan. And Coach Tim Cone disappointed. And you're talking about KG Candeleta. 0 of 5
Oo,
field.
hindi pa nakaka-score dito from the floor si KG Candeleta.
Marvin Cruz pinasok na rin ni Coach Walker Asol. Ito si Marvin Cruz. He can hit this one. Not this time. Long pass.
Oh, kuha yun.
Oo.
The rookie making that fine catch.
Ito na yan, si Winnie Arboleda. Ranadel outside. Gives it to Kramer. Kramer, step back. Binigay dito ay KG for 3. Ay, no, wala pa rin.
0 out of 6 now for KG. And 0 out of 3 from 3-point distance.
And now, itong tempo na to, Alaska tempo na to no? They slowed down the ball game, pero ito, nakaagaw dito si Marvin Cruz.
Pangalawa na to, ha?
He will go all the way. 13 turnovers for the Aces. At kanina nga, binabanggit natin in their initial outing, they committed 27 turnovers. So, medyo on track sila, which is bad news for Alaska and their fans. And this is the 13th turnover committed by the Aces, resulting dito sa fast break play ng Air 21, courtesy of Marvin Cruz. Ayan na naman, no? Reading the passing lane very well. Diretso dito si Marvin Cruz. Of course, Marvin Cruz in his maiden outing sa PBA career niya, naka 7 points siya in 11 minutes of action.
Probably the shortest player picked in the recent draft. 5'9 lang si Marvin.
One of the youngest, if not the youngest.
Youngest siya.
Marvin Cruz. Hoy! San Miguel Light, mahaba-habang inuman, mahaba-habang kulitan, mahaba-habang katuwaan, mahaba-habang inuman. San Miguel Light, kamusta po kayo dyan? Unproductive dito. Yun, maganda yung follow-up dito ni Sonny Toss. 7-point deficit for the Aces. Ito na yan, si Winnie Arboleda. Binigay kay Marvin Cruz. Marvin Cruz tumiretso. Binigay kay KG Candeleta. Floater, wala pa rin. And just the snatcher. Nakasnatch na naman. Hop! Wow. Medyo careless passing for Air 21. Trying to be too fancy.
Well, this backcourt combination ng Air 21 making a lot of things happen dito, no? Razzle-dazzle itong combination nila. Marvin Cruz at saka si Winnie Arboleda.
Hindi yung exploit ni Laure, ha? Yung sa poste, bumabantay sa kanya si Winnie Arboleda. 5 seconds to shoot para sa Alaska. Mike Cortez from the side.
Oh, yes. They love.
First 2 points para kay the Cool Cats. Under 3 minutes remaining. Here's Doug Kramer. Kramer against Hugnata, he spins. At ito, gumaganda na rin ang depensa dito ng Alaska. Lead pass to Reynel Hugnata.
Grabe ng banggaan, ha?
Oo, ito maganda. Siya na yung nag-initiate ng contact. to create space. And Alaska is charging back. Tatlo na lang po ang hinahabol nila. And we have a timeout here by Air 21. Welcome back, mga kaibigan. At ngayon po, puntahan natin ang ating kasamang si Dominic Boy with a report on the Alaska Aces.
Richard, napaka-pasensoso pala itong si Coach Tim Cone. Hindi siya nagalit nung timeout na yun. Kinausap lang niya ang kanyang mga manlalaro at sabi niya, guys, hindi naman ganun kagaling dumepensa itong Air 21. So wag natin itapon yung bola. Let's make them beat us. Wag natin talunin ang ating sarili by turning the ball over. At mukhang nakinig sila with his last instructions kaya naman gumaganda na ang laro nitong Alaska Aces. Richard, kinito?
Nakakabilib, nagtatagalog na pala. Biro lang to.
Alam mo, gumanda na ng depensa ng Alaska. Malay ng binigit mo, Richard, no?
Oo.
Not only that, they took advantage of the fact that yung kombinasyon ni Coach Bo Parasol sa loob, hindi masyado ng, nag-flow yung kanilang offense. Si KG, nagmimimintis.
Ito na nga,
Si
nabuhay.
Kramer.
Oo. Nagmimintis na, nabuhay na dito ang Alaska Aces. Eh, parang reverse psychology rin yung ginamit ni Coach Tim Cone, no? Instead na papagalitan niya, sabihin, build up mo na lang yung confidence ng mga players.
Oo.
At ito nga, na-build up na yung confidence nila. Isa na lang ang hinahabol ng Alaska. 39-38, under 2 minutes remaining at the half. Quintal. Ito, Rani Del Rio Campo, napakainit ito nung first quarter, scoring 10 points already. Bumps into the defense, wala. Sabi
Oh,
ng
yes.
bola, Omerse.
Pati si Oba yata, nagulat sa ginawa niya. But that broke a cold spell for Air 21. And now Air 21 again trying the half-court trap.
At ito, nalibre si Willie Miller. Walang tinamaan. It happens to the best of them.
Oo. Big gamble yung ginagawa ng Air 21 sa kanilang half-court trap because Alaska is one of the league's best yung press-breaking teams eh.
Yes. Here's JC Intal. Marvin Cruz against Mike Cortez. Ma-isolate nila, top of the key. Tingnan natin gagawin niya dito.
Mahirap yata na.
Oo, tough shot.
Oo, that's too much responsibility for a rookie guard.
Panira na sana. Pwede na. Naka-turnover pa dito ang Alaska. Here's Arboleda. Uy! Pinasa kay Intal. And another fast break.
Ang ganda naman.
Omerse.
Samuntik ng 3 seconds yun.
Oo, biglang natauhan si JC
Oo.
Intal. Tinamaan siya sa
mukha.
ng bola.
Oo. Buti naman, napaganda yung play.
Almost another steal for Air 21.
At itong hinahanap ni Coach Bo Parasol, no? Yung aggressiveness sa kanyang depensa. Sa half-court trap, they're getting deflections and they're disrupting yung rhythm ng opensa ng Alaska. Alam natin, Alaska is a rhythm team.
Ito na ngayon si John Ferriols. Bago pa niya na ipasa, merong foul na tinawag si referee Banilla. E. Banilla. Aba, kala ko kapag-anak ni G. Banilla. E. Banilla. Okay. 14 seconds sa shot clock ng Aces. Good tap out by Omerse. Balik sila kay John Ferriols. They like this matchup with Omerse. Omerse, komportable sa ganitong depensahan. Walang napuntahan si John Ferriols. Ito na ngayon si Laure. Play goes on. Marvin Cruz. I guess Mike Cortez tumihit. Fades away. Wala pa rin. And the ball goes back to the Aces. 5.3 seconds remaining. Enough time. At ito, kinapitan ni Winnie Arboleda. Ito si Willie Miller.
Sabi na referee, teka, sobra na yata yun. Tinatawag ko na. Now, neither team went into the penalties sa first quarter. And yato sa quarter natin, patapos na ito, no? Neither team also in the penalty. Ano, nasa penalty na. Oo, sa wakas, nasa penalty ng Air 21.
2 seconds remaining. Mike Cortez!
Hindi pumasok.
Hindi pumasok. Pero napakabilis nitong ating first half of action. Parang kailan lang, kasi simula pa lang ng ball game. Pero ito, nasa halftime na pala tayo. Aba, mga kaibigan, grabe na talaga action dito. Laman po ang Air 21 against Alaska Aces 43-38.